How are millennials changing the way you do your business?
So, millennials and now even the Gen Zs, because you have a lot of them who are now coming into the workspace as well. They don't give it that kind of importance as some of the earlier generations would have. We've of course worked with a lot of people in PSUs and traditional businesses, and for them it kind of meant a lot more. I think for the millennials, if you deliver in terms of by virtue of the work that you do, in terms of the quality of the work, and you keep up your commitments, I think that means more to them, as against a gift. Traditionally, with the older generations, I felt that okay, suppose someone had not delivered as expected, but if you gave a gift, they would kind of overlook that. I think today what's happening is that for these guys, it's more important about keeping your word and keeping your timelines and everything else. That matters more than covering it up with a gift. So it might help again in kind of making you stand out if it's something unique, but it doesn't do the job as it would for the older generations.